Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nais Asalia Putri. My student ID number is 63250733. In this video, I want to talk about changing bad habits. Sometimes we delay our work or spend too much time on our phone. Even talk is hard. Changing bad habits can help us become better and more disciplined people. Okay, in my daily life, I often do bad habits, especially delaying my homework and playing on my phone instead, like watching TikTok or Instagram. At first, I thought it was normal because I did it every day, but slowly I realized that delaying my homework and playing on my phone for too long are bad habits. When I keep delaying my homework, my tasks pile up and make me stress. I know changing bad habits is not easy, but I want to try little by little. I started to manage my time better and do my homework earlier. Honestly, I still delay my homework sometimes, but I will try to stop doing it. I also try to be less lazy and do more useful things. Even though changing is very hard, I believe I can do it. For me, changing bad habits is very important. By fixing my bad habits and starting good habits, I can become more disciplined and responsible. I believe that by changing my bad habits, I can become better person than before. Okay, that's all for changing the bad habits. Thank you for your attention.
Hello everyone, my name is Nais Asalia Putri. My student ID number is 36250733. Today I will present about adverbs of sequence. Let's begin. What are adverbs of sequence? Adverbs of sequence are words or phrases that show the order in which action or events occur. These adverbs are especially useful in writing instruction, giving direction, or telling a story where the correct order of events is important. Some common adverbs of sequence include first, next, then, after that, finally, beforehand, initially, subsequently. Okay, adverbs of sequence. Adverbs of sequence are words that show the order of events or action. They tell us what happens first, what comes next, and what happens last. Here are some examples. First, wash your hand. Next, let's have lunch. Then we can play outside. Okay, the importance of adverbs of sequence. This brings us to the question, why are adverbs of sequence so important? In everyday conversations, adverbs of sequence help make communication clear and structured. Imagine giving instruction for a receipt, explaining how to fix a device, or telling a story without proper sequence. Your message could become confusing. Adverbs of sequence make the progression of ideas logical and easy to follow. Common adverbs of sequence and their uses. First, to indicate the first action in a sequence. Next, to show the action following the first one. Then, to indicate something that happened later. Afterward, to indicate something that happened later in time. Beforehand, to indicate an action that should be done earlier. Later, to refer to an action happening after a point in time. Finally, to indicate the last action in sequence. Initially, to show something that happens at the beginning. Subsequently, to describe something that follows an action. How to use adverbs of sequence in sentence. When using adverbs of sequence in a sentence, it is crucial to place them at the beginning or in the appropriate part of the sentence to ensure the order of events is clear. Here are some examples. First, wash your hands thoroughly. Next, chop vegetable into small pieces. Then add the oil in a pan. After that, saute the onions until they turn golden. Finally, add the spices and let it simmer. Be careful. After is not an adverb. Here's something very important to keep in mind and a common mistake people make. The word after is preposition, not an adverb. As adverb you can use afterwards, after that, after plus a noun, ea after dinner, but don't use after on its own. Why are sequence adverbs important? Sequence adverbs help us give clear instruction so our audience know exactly what to do step by step, organize ideas properly, keeping our writing and speech well structured, avoid confusion, so there's no misunderstanding about the order of events, improve communication, making both spoken and written language more effective. Using adverbs of sequence in writing. When writing essays, instruction, or even stories, adverbs of sequence act as signposts that guide the reader from one point to the next. Let's look at how they are used in a short story. First, Alice woke up and checked the time. She realized she was late for her meeting. Next, she quickly got dressed and rushed out of the door. Then she grabbed her keys and headed for the car. Afterwards, she realized she forgot her presentation slides at home. Finally, she returned, collected her slides, and made it just in time for the meeting. That is the end of my presentation about adverbs of sequence. Thank you for your attention.